Hi, everybody. Today's estate planning question it's really a tax question. Do you get a step-up basis at the death of the first person with a married couple if you own the home as joint tenants with right of survivorship? Quick tidbit, joint tenants with right of survivorship means a married couple, and typically can be for other people, but where one spouse passes, the other is the 100% owner automatically. Before we get to the complete answer, I'd like you to imagine a friend going through a what-if scenario that creeped into their lives unexpectedly, but they were fully prepared because you shared this video. We will appreciate it, as will your friend. I'm Valerie Zammitti, an estate planning attorney in New York and New Jersey, and we're here to educate everyone for free. So we hope that you can ask some questions and we can answer them. So together we can help folks reach their challenges, plan ahead before something does creep up into their lives. Now, the answer to this question about the step-up basis, meaning limiting the capital gains that may impact the family when there's the first spouse to pass and they own a home with right of survivorship. Typically, and you have to check state law on this. I know I say that a lot, but it is true. Typically, you will get a 50% step up in basis for the home at that first passing. So if the surviving spouse goes to sell the home, they're not starting from square one basis, but rather they will get a step up in basis on half of the home based on the value at the passing of their prior spouse, okay? That means we're limiting capital gains because we're no longer starting down here, but we've added some step up at that first death, only for 50% though. There is an exception, which I don't believe applies to spouses, but if there are people who own property together, and the one individual can prove that the decedent individual contributed a larger portion to the home. For instance, the house purchase price was $200,000, and the person who passed away contributed $150,000 of that, right? That's 3/4, I guess. Did I do the math right? Whatever. It was a greater majority of the purchase price. And so based on the percentage, they may get a step up based on that, okay? The higher percentage. That is the only exception that I know of. Always check state law. Good luck out there. We hope that information is helpful. And please, don't forget to share. As always, take care.